right, good evening, everyone. Good evening, good afternoon. Welcome, mostly from Philippines and from Canada. Good morning. Okay. Dumaguete, good evening. Dubai, good afternoon. All right, welcome po lahat. So tonight, we'll be talking about Forex trading. Kung saan, iintindi natin, ano ba itong Forex trading at paano ba kumita gamit ang cellphone. Okay, ito po yung preparation ko for trade. Actually, nag-trade na ako kanina. Gamit ang cellphone, pa kumikita ka side hustle, just minutes being trade a day, and kikita ka ng dollar as a side hustle. Okay, yan po yung pag-uusapan natin tonight. Welcome po, dami natin tonight. So welcome lahat. But before that, pakilala ko muna yung sarili ko. I am Nars Paraguya, 43 years old from Cagayan de Oro. So my background, nag-graduate po ako sa Ateneo de Cagayan. 10 years po ako sa digital business, kasama rin ang trading and a digital marketing. I'm also a entrepreneur. So meron po akong business na mountain resort here in our place. I'm also a licensed financial consultant. So I can give you proper advice with regards to investment and financial literacy para ho hindi po kayo may scam. Okay. I started Forex trading since 2017, and then I nag-create ako ng community, Pinoy Traders Community, and eventually maraming nakakatuwa yung mga OFW, mas excited sila. So I created a separate community for them. It's called Kabayan Traders Community. For the reason na matulungan sila at maturuan sila para makaroon sila ng side hustle. Kasi darating yung time na gusto nilang umuwi sa Pilipinas, mayroon pa rin silang kita. And that's a very good idea. All right. So this is me, and this is the reason why I'm doing this one, because I want to have a quality life. Okay. Forex gives me a quality life because I have time for my family. Nandito lang ako sa bahay kasama yung pamilya ko. And ang maganda is meron kang budget para sa family mo. Guys, let me know, sino dito gusto magkaroon ng quality life para sa pamilya nila? Can you type QL? QL ha? QL. Iligan. I'll be in Iligan maybe Saturday or Monday. Si Coach MJ nandito. I'm planning to visit kasi isa sa mga ka-team natin sa si Architect Mike will be going to Iligan. So maybe I'm also going there. He requested me to meet him. All right. So QL, quality life. Ito yung pwedeng mangyari sa'yo for tonight. So for just a very short period of time, baka ito na yung answered prayer mo. Tingnan mo lang, walang commitment, kasi ito naman webinar is for information and for education purposes lamang. But if you want to continue, if you want to learn more, to explore more, kung gusto mo talagang seryoso ito, please stay with me until the end, kasi sa the end, may bonus ako na ibibigay sa inyo kung anong gagawin natin if ever interested po kayo. Ulitin ko, no pressure, no commitment, just information purposes. And if you think this is not for you, which I perfectly understand, ganun talaga, hindi lahat para sa atin, just feel free to leave the opportunity on the table. All right. Okay, interested po. Wala pa kita nagsugod. All right. Sige po. So, disclaimer lang po, we do not accept any investment, ha? So, I don't ask you to invest for us. I don't ask you para sumabay ng trade. So, kung mayroon man kasama sa community namin na asking, sis, bro, ma'am, sir, sumabay ka sa trade namin, mag-invest ka sa amin. So, that's not us. So, please inform me kasi hindi po ganyan yung culture natin. Ano ba yung ginagawa ninyo? What we do is we teach you everyone how to trade. Tinuturuan po. Kayo po yung magti-trade. Kayo po mag-invest sa sarili ninyo. Hawak niyo yung account, you can withdraw anytime. Okay. So bakit po I discourage na ganyan? Kasi doon po nangyayari yung mga scam. Alam niyo po, since may pera sa Forex, since malaki yung pera sa Forex, ginagamit ho nila para mapag-scam. And most likely, ang scam is this one. Invest ka sa amin, maglagay ka ng 1,000 mo, magiging 10,000, lagay ka ng 10,000 mo, magiging 30,000. That's fishy and that's too good to be true. Pwede ba yan mangyari sa Forex? Yes, kung alam mo na. but it doesn't work that way. Kaya nga may webinar tayo, information para malaman mo kung paano. Alright? So kaya wag na wag, please. Wag kayong magpaloko kasi mawawala din yung mga mangloloko na yan kung wag kayong magpapaloko. Bakit ko ito sinasabi? This is my, not so sad, it's just my harsh reality when I started Forex trading. Yes, na-scam din ako when I started Forex trading. I paid 200,000, which is back then, wala ko idea talaga sa Forex trading. At hanggang ngayon, hindi ko nakuha yung capital ko kasi binigay ko sa kanila, sila daw yung magti-trade para sa akin. So that's a big no-no. However, na-open up yung mind ko about sa Forex trading and I realize, and I go to internet and I search na talaga namang may potential itong business na Forex trading. Kaya, nag-search ako at nakita ko na legit naman talaga yung Forex trading. It's just that, hindi siya legit kung ibibigay mo yung pera sa iba para dun magpa-invest para sa'yo. Copy trading is good. Copy trading is legit. And we also have copy trading. So, itinuturo din natin yan kung paano gawin. So, we have copy trading manual and we have copy trading AI. So, that's the legit way. Okay, that's the legit way. But the best way talaga is educate yourself. Aralin nyo ano yung Forex para alam nyo. And then eventually later on, if you want to continue, mayroon tayong community by the way, which I invite you to join us, our community, so that may mapagtanungan kayo if this is legit and if this is not legit. Alright. So part 1 po ng Forex webinar natin. I'll be talking about basic in Forex trading. So ano yung background, ano itong Forex trading, and then part 2 po ano itong cheat codes na na-discover ko, na because na-discover itong cheat codes ko, consistent yung profitability ng trading ko. Alright? But survey lang muna tayo guys for tonight. Sino dito talaga hindi pa nakapag-try ng Forex trading? Can you type number 1 on the chat box? And then if nakapag-try na rin kayo, can you type number 2? Alright, number 1, number 1, number 1, number 2. Okay, maraming number 1. Paano ba? Yun nga, makinig ka, opo, at tuturuan kita kung paano. Okay, guys, please be patient. You know what? Learning in Forex trading, sa totoo lang, traditional, that will take 6 months to 2 years. And then I try to compress everything, ibibigay ko sa iyo within 1 hour. Pero at least hindi mo man ito makuha talaga lahat. Hindi talaga dapat makuha lahat. Pero at least mayroon kayong idea kung paano at anong gawin mo. Alright? And by the way, mamaya magbibigay ako ng Q&A para maintindihan nyo. Okay. So, ganyan. So, ito na. Mag-start na tayo, guys. Forex trading, do you think it's risky or not? Sa tingin nyo ba risky itong Forex trading? Yes or no? Yes, tama po yung type ninyo. Habang nagta-type kayo, alam niyo yung yes. Tama po yung type ninyo that this is risky. Okay. But may tanong lang ako. Maraming OFW ngayon and I salute you for that. Ito bang pag-abroad ninyo, iiwan niyo yung pamilya ninyo, mga anak at mga asawa? I'm sorry, asawa lang pala. Okay. And then, going to a place na hindi nyo alam. And before that, I'm sure malaki din yung binayad niyo for the airplane and the processing. Ito ba yung ginagawa ninyo is risky or not? Yes, isang malaking risky po yung pag-abroad. Pero ang tanong ko, bakit niyo ito ginagawa? Kasi nakita niyo yung reward. Alright, ito na. Nakita niyo yung reward. In business po, mayroon po tayong tinatawag na risk-reward ratio. Ganon din ho si Forex. It's risky, pero may reward. Bakit maraming pumapasok sa Forex? Kahit ang iba hindi nila alam. Kasi tinitingnan nila yung reward. Bakit may nag-abroad na kahit iwan yung pamilya? Kasi nakikita nila yung reward. So for tonight, is it okay? I'll ask you na, kasi wala mo munang risk, di ba? Hindi pa kayo nag-start, hindi pa kayo nag-capital. I ask you, tingnan nyo muna yung reward. Okay, yes, may kasamang risk yan. But tingnan nyo muna yung reward. If you think that yung reward na yun resonates, you risk. Okay, and then we will talk after that. Anong ibig sabihin? Wait, can you mute Mr. Georgie? Okay? Mute muna natin. Okay. Thank you. Okay. So tingnan nyo lang. No commitment yet. Baka ito na yung answered prayer niya. Okay. So, choppy ba yung signal ko? Guys, let me know. Give me number 1 if my signal is good or baka yung kay Maria lang yung choppy yung signal niya. Okay, so the signal is good. Why Forex? Bakit po Forex? Forex po because it's a digital business. Anong ibig sabihin niyan? Nasa bahay ka lang, gamit nyo lang cellphone nyo. Guys, to build a business and is to start a business, hindi po siya biro. I myself is an entrepreneur for more than 20 years. I used to be a CEO with more than 50 employees. Guys, hindi po siya biro. Yung sahod pa lang sa mga tao, yung renta mo lang sa place, hindi siya biro. Kaya building up a business, it's not biro. But for me, seeing digital business, wala akong renta, nagustuhan ko. Nasa bahay lang ako, nagustuhan ko. Okay, it's flexible lifestyle. Even if you're a traveler, kung gusto mo mag-travel, mag-vacation, you can do as long as may internet ka. Even if you are busy, even if you are working, actually, sa strategy natin guys, ang trading natin is maximum of 30 minutes lang. Ako, nagka-trade ako, 10 minutes lang, maximum. Pero of course, for you to learn that, you need to at least for 1 month na tuturuan nyo talaga. Okay? So that's a flexible lifestyle. Kahit saan ka, basta may cellphone, basta may internet, pwede kang mag-forex trading. And the good thing is that you don't need big capital. Alam naman natin sa negosyo, kung kulang ang kapital mo, huwag ka na lang magnegosyo. Kasi mahirap po pag negosyo kung kulang-kulang yung capital. Okay? Sino dito naka-start ng negosyo? Okay? Can you type me kung nakapag-start ng negosyo? 10,000 is not kulang-kulang. 200,000 kulang-kulang, hindi po basta-basta. Dito, ang kailangan mo lang dito, low startup capital. Mamaya, sasabihin ko sa iyo, magkano yung kailangan mo. It's just around, mamaya na lang, sasabihin ko sa iyo, magkano kailangan mo para makapag-start. But kung makuha mo na, madali ka nang tinatawag yung madaling mag-scale. It's scalable. Kung alam mo na, madali kang kumita ng malaki. Okay, magkano yung pinag-uusapan natin? Mamaya, 6 digit in 1 day, pwede? Yes, pwede. As a matter of fact, before we start, nag-post ako sa community, sa mga GCs natin. Sino nakakita? Na thank God today, as a proof of withdrawals, sa instant withdrawals ng broker natin, nag-withdraw ako. So, iba yung withdrawal ko kahapon, iba din yung withdraw ko today. So, yan ang tinatawag natin na proof of transactions. Me, nakakita. Me po, nakita ko. Thank you, Rosana. So, yan po. No experience needed kasi hindi naman to inaaral natin sa paralan. Wala naman itong kurso, wala naman mga training dito sa noon kasi walang nagbibigay ng trading kasi pahirap talaga yung forex ituro talaga. So ako lang nagdalakas loob kasi nakita ko na crack ko yung code dahil po sa tinatawag natin na cheat codes. So yan po yung pag-uusapan natin. Ang pinaka-importante lang dito, kahit wala kang experience, ang importante lang dito is yung willingness to learn. Guys, ang tanong ko sa iyo, are you willing to learn? Drop number 1 if you are willing to learn kasi ito yung pinaka-importante. Kapital, maliit lang naman. Hindi mo naman kailangan 100,000 to start dito. You don't need 200,000. You don't need even need 50,000 to start here. Kailangan mo is yung willingness to learn kasi ang forex po, kailangan din siyang aralin. Okay. So ano pa itong forex trading? Forex is very short word for the word foreign exchange. Palitan po ng pera. From USD to Euro, from Euro to USD. Let's say for example, mayroon ba tayo from KSA? Sa KSA ba ang currency dyan is, ano ba yung currency sa KSA? Dirham ba? Dirham? Guys, let me know kung ano yung currency sa KSA. So if you have dirham, and then uuwi ka sa Pilipinas, sa Oman, Riyal. Okay. Sa Kuwait, dinar. Okay. So Riyal. Okay. So Reals po, okay. So mayroon kang real or reals. Uuwi ka sa Pilipinas. Magagamit mo ba yung reals mo sa 7-Eleven? Magagamit mo ba siya sa grocery? Hindi. Basically, gagawin mo, punta ka sa bangko or punta ka sa black market, papalitan mo yung real mo into PHP. Okay. Real, this is my real. Palit ng PHP. Okay. Palitan. Okay. So yung real mo, naging PHP na. Ang tawag dyan is foreign exchange. Ang tawag dyan is foreign exchange. in a manual manner. Manual po or traditional po na foreign exchange. But that's itself is Forex. Copy? Naintindihan? So this is the largest financial market in the whole world. As a matter of fact, as we speak, $7 trillions are being traded every day. Ilan lahat? $7 trillions are being traded every day. Not every year, not every month, every day. Ganun po siya kalaki because this is a global market. Okay? Nagtitrade po our government, central banks, financial institutions. Ang tayo po pwedeng mag-trade, ang tawag natin retail trader through digital platform na tinatawag natin na MT5. Ito MT5 or MetaTrader 5 or MetaTrader 4. Okay. Trivia ho, pag magti-trade po kayo ng Forex at hindi po kayo gumamit ng MT5 or MT4, that's red flag. Kasi po yung pinaka 90% of Forex trading, ito po yung gamit. Although may mga iba na they have their own platform, pero most of the regulatory po, ang gamit po natin is MT5. So ngayon, alam mo na kung anong app or anong platform yung gagamitin natin. So this is the most liquid business in the whole world. Ibig sabihin, anytime pwede kang mag-withdraw. Dapat walang lock-in. Uulitin ko po. Dapat walang lock-in. Ano ibig sabihin ng lock-in? Yung tipong may nagsasabi sa'yo na, ma'am, hindi, kailangan nyo is-hold yung pera nyo for 1 month and then tsaka mo mawi-withdraw. Yan, red flag yan. Okay. Anong ibig sabihin ng red flag? It could be, I'm not saying it is, it could be, hindi siya legit. Okay. So dapat, kahit mag-deposit ka ngayon, nagbago yung isip mo, gusto mong withdrawin, mamaya, pwede mong ma-withdraw. Dapat wala siyang holding period. Okay. So dapat you can withdraw anytime. Saan ka magti-trade? Smart device, usually 90% use cell phone. Okay. Actually, this cell phone is ready for trade because right after the webinar, magti-trade ako and right after mag-trade, ipopost ko yung result ko sa trade dun sa community natin. Okay. So yung gusto mag-join sa community natin, mamaya. Okay. So ito po yung business ng bangko at maraming mga financial institution. Okay. So since it's a buy and sell, I want you to understand that it's business. So mayroon siyang capital. Magkano mamaya sasabihin ko. So 50 pesos ang dollar before. Naging 58 siya, naging 57 siya, pinalitan mo. Yun po yung tinatawag na profit sa tinatawag na Forex. The difference po, yun pong profit. Okay? So, my question is, if the price goes down, will you still make money? Paano po kung bubaba yung presyo? So, traditional na foreign exchange, lugi ka. But in digital, hindi ka lugi kasi mayroon itong opportunity to create an opportunity whether the market is going down and whether the market is going up. Okay, ito na. Guys, ang tawag nito guys is ito yung chart. Chart, okay? Japanese candlestick. The market is going up. Kung ma-anticipate mo that the market is going up, ang gagawin mo guys is magkakaroon ka ng buy possession. And if the market is going down, ang tawag nito is sell possession. Okay, exam tayo, exam. Tingnan natin kung sino nakikinig. If the market is going down, anong possession ang gagawin natin? Buy or sell? Right B for buy and right S for sell. Titingnan natin kung sino nakinig. Sino nakinig? Sell. Si Rosana. Very good. Sell. Si Erickson. B. Mali ang keyboard. Okay. Samsung. Si Oppo. iPhone. Ay, grabe ha. By the way guys, ito pala yung mga participants natin guys. Para pala tayong cellphone store ngayon. Kasi nandito si Samsung, nandito si Oppo, at nandito rin si iPhone. So show me, read me, and paramdam naman kayo kung nandyan kayo. Anyway, para ho sana mag-answer ng yes, ay, Samsung na huli. Nag-answer ng sell, tama ho kayo. Okay? Yung nag-answer ng B, it's okay. Kasi first time naman natin ito. At normal lang talaga magkamali. Okay. So guys, ito yung mga major pairs na tinatrade natin. Euro USD, USD GPY. Ito yung mga major. Most of mga top countries. Okay. So, by the way, sa community natin, nagtitrade din tayo ng stocks. I trade personal US30, tuturuan natin yan, an XEU USD or gold. Yung sa mga nag-trade na, ang gold kasi maraming nagtatrade. Kasi sarap kasi mag-trade sa gold. Kasi yung ano niya, yung movement niya is pwede mo lang ma-follow through. Okay. So, I'd like to introduce you some of the terms na tinatawag natin na TP. Kapag ka TP ka na, ibig sabihin, kumita ka na. SL is stop loss. Ito yung depensa mo. So how does it work? So in the chart like this one, guys, okay. Actually, wala itong sa chart. And just for illustration purposes. Ito is, anong gagawin natin, guys, if the market will goes up? The anticipation is the market is going up. Gagawin natin dito. What kind of position dito tayo? So here, example, dito ka nag-position. In-anticipate mo that the market is going up. So your position is buy. Okay? Buy ka. So, etong green, ito yung target mo. Ibig sabihin, pag abot ng presyo na dyan, ito yung target, mag-TP ka na. TP, ibig sabihin, take profit. Ibig sabihin, pag nahit dyan, may pera ka na. Another green, halimbawa, dalawa yung target mo, TP1, TP2, TP3, TP4, TP5, pero hanggang TP1, TP2 lang tayo. Pag nahit ito, nakuha sa presyo, is kumita ka na. Now, based on this illustration, dito ka pumasok, nahit mo yung TP1 at nahit mo yung TP2, ibig sabihin, here, kumita ka na. Here, kumita ka na. Copy. Sino dito gusto kumita? Okay. What if nagkamali po yung anticipation or forecast nyo? So instead of the market going up, the market goes down. So mayroon tayong tinatawag na defensive or part of risk management na maglalagay ho kayo ng stop loss. Okay. Para po hindi po ganun kalaki. In case kung magkamali man, hindi maliit lang yung madadamage sa capital mo. Yes, you heard it right. Kaya yun yung tinatawag na part ng risk. Kaya dapat siyang aralin talaga. Alright, welcome po sa participants natin. Ang dami na natin. Okay, let me continue. The best way para kumita at maging profitable sa forex trading is aralin itong tinatawag na technical analysis. Technical analysis. That's the best way. Because the technical analysis, pwede mong ma-anticipate kung ano yung direction ng market. Kung maintindihan mo yung technical analysis, pwede mong ma-anticipate kung anong direction ng market. So kung ma-anticipate mo kung ano yung direction or ma-forecast mo, ibig sabihin, tama yung tinatawag natin na pagtitrade mo or maging profitable ka. Eventually, most of them hindi inaral itong technical analysis kasi hindi naman lahat nagtuturo talaga ng technical analysis. Naguhula lang sila, which will only give you 5% of the win rate. So maliit lang yung chance na kikita kapag hinuhulaan mo lang. But if you study technical analysis, it would increase your win rate up to 80%, 90%, 70% yung win rate sa forex trading at kikita ka. Okay. So ito po yung mga technical analysis. Sentimental, fundamental, and technical. Sentimental, guys, pag maraming buyers, let's say for example, maraming buyers ng USD. Okay, kasi maraming nagkagusto sa USD. So, ang mangyayari yan, okay, ito. Ida-drawing ko. Ang mangyayari yan, tataas yung presyo ng gold. Bakit ito? Ano yung reason? Pwedeng magkaroon ng fundamental or tinatawag natin na news. Mga pangyayari. Let's say for example, nagustuhan yung mga tao ng mga news about US, yung tariff rates ni Donald Trump, nagustuhan nila, maraming buyers. So ibig sabihin yung USD aakyat. Pero yung news naman from fundamentals, hindi nila nagustuhan yung mga tariff rates, okay? Ayaw na mga investors, ayaw na mga big players, ang mangyari yan is yung USD babagsak. Ang tawag po dyan is fundamental analysis gamit ang mga pangyayari or gamit ang mga tawag natin na HIN or high impact news. Okay. Paano mo yan malalaman? To make it very simple, mayroon tayong tinatawag na economic calendar. Sa economic calendar is like Forex Factory. Website na yan, puntahan mo lang. You don't need to pay. Tingnan mo lang kung ano yung mga kaganapan today before you trade. Alam mo, mamaya before you trade. Tingnan mo lang kung mayroon ba tinatawag na naka-red. Ang tawag yan, high impact news. So kung high impact news, tingnan mo kung green or red. Ibig sabihin green, ibig sabihin the price could goes up, or if it's red, the price will go down. At least alam mo na. Okay, alam mo na kung ano yung direction ng market. Ito pa lang, pwede ka nang mag-trade. Next is the technical analysis. The technical is medyo technical ito. Kaya dapat siyang aralin. But if you're so busy talaga that OFW, then you're busy, ayaw mong aralin, don't worry guys, we have AI trading for you. So you can do trading using AI kahit wala kang gagawin. Mamaya sasabihin natin kung paano siya gawin. Sa technical analysis naman, you're going to understand the technical aspect, support resistance, tawag ito, market structure, trend, titingnan natin patterns, mga indicators, titingnan natin yung candlestick, okay, mga breakaway, and a lot of strategies sa technical analysis na hindi siya kayang aralin for 1 hour. Siguro 3 straight days pwede, pero 1 hour hindi siya pwedeng aralin. Kasama na ito mga patterns ng Japanese candlesticks. Okay. Now, my question for you is it complicated? Medyo complicated ba? Yes. Kasi when I started this one, for how many months talaga, naguguluhan talaga ako. Hindi ko pa na-discover itong ganitong klaseng training at ganitong klaseng community. Okay. Next question is, do you want an easier solution? Ay, mayroon palang easier solution. Mayroon palang palaan para madali kang matuto at madali kang kumita sa forex trading. If you want an easier solution, just type yes. Yes. You want type yes if you want an easier solution. Kasi nasa part 2 na tao, i-reveal ko sa iyo kung ano yung solution. Instead na matuto ka for 6 months, pwede mo lang gawin 1 month or pwede mo lang gawin 2 weeks or pwede mo gawin 3 days. Because of the solution na inibigay ko sa iyo na tinatawag natin na cheat codes. Ang cheat codes is yung mahirap, pamadili na lang natin, magiging madali na lang siya. Pero ano ba yung background itong cheat codes at paano ko ito na-discover? Okay guys, kwento ko muna yung story ko. Last year, bago ko ito na-discover. Nag-start ako sa forex trading guys is 2017. Okay? Nag-trade ako guys, umabot ng around mga 4 years. Pag-trade ko tuloy-tuloy. Pero 2021 guys, nag-stop ako sa forex trading. I stopped forex trading kasi ito yung time guys na natalo ako sa isang gabi ng 400,000. Hindi lang alam ng asawa ko. Lately lang. But eventually alam niya na dati when we started forex trading, malaki yung damage namin. Kasi back then walang cheat codes, walang training, walang tools, walang community na pwede mong mapagtanungan. Okay, walang mga coaching programs na ganyan. Mayroong AI before pero it's too expensive. Kaya lang, last year, nagkaroon ako ng issue sa problema sa pera kasi yung major business ko na-close after pandemic. So I'm looking for opportunity na kumbaga, syempre, para mabigay ko yung para sa pamilya ko. Kasi, di ba, gano'n naman talaga, naghahanap ng magandang pagkakataon. So I am thinking back of going back to Forex again. Kaya lang medyo dadalawing isip ako kasi, di ba, mayroon akong bad experience sa forex trading. Not unless, meron akong kaibigan na na-interview sa RDR Talks. And before siya na-interview sa RDR Talks is, pina-follow ko na siya for almost a year. How many months na? Nakita ko yung journey niya talaga na naging profitable ang forex trading. So actually, naisip ko. One day, nakita ko siya sa Facebook and then nakita ko siya na-interview sa RDR Talks. Pinanood ko siya sa RDR Talks. Ito pala yung reality niya. Nagkaroon pala siya ng utang na 26 million. Okay? Doon sa interview. At totoong nangyayari ito sa RDR Talks. Pero what amazed me is that yung utang na 26 million, nabayaran niya because of forex trading business. Bakit ko sinasabing forex trading business? Because if you treat this one as a business, sure na sure, para ka ring business din yung makukuha mo dito. Eventually guys, nabayaran niya talaga yung 26 million na utang niya. Wow. Sino dito may utang? 26 million. 25. Guys, okay lang to admit. Wala naman siguro dito yung pinag-utangan rin. At least you know. Diba? Alam mo yung problem, para bibigyan natin ng solution. Okay. Nandyan pa ba kayo? Are you hearing me? Kasi I don't see any reactions on the chat. Okay. So yes, you're hearing. Pero ayaw lang siguro mag-admit. Si Stijn po natalo. It's okay. It's okay. I lose guys. You know, ganito talaga. In the business world, hindi lahat panalo. Hindi lahat panalo. But you can always bounce back if you find a very good opportunity. Ito nangyari sa akin. I lose in a business, natalo ko sa dating forex trading, yung business ko na lose. Anong gagawin ko? So I keep on praying to God, Lord, give me opportunities. And then last year, actually end of July, and in August, I started back again in Forex trading using cheat codes na. And thank God, August, September, October, at the end of the year, hindi nagtagal, God is so good. Na-reward tayo ng bagong Montero Sport. Yan po is 100% katas po yan ng Forex business. Okay. So, ganun lang. Bounce back lang. Kahit kasi ganun naman talaga ang buhay. So, ito yung mga cheat code natin, guys. By the way, that's for inspiration na hindi pinagmamayabang yung maliit na bagay. Okay. So, guys, yung cheat code natin, guys, is meron tayong tinatawag na AI tools. The world is crazy about AI right now. Everyone is AI. In trading, meron tayong AI for manual trading, meron tayong AI for automated trading. So, automation na. So, manual trading, guys, is meron tayong AI. So imagine if you are new in Forex trading, hindi mo alam kung paano i-interpret ng graph. Mayroon tayong guys AI na pattern scanner guys. Sa ang AI na ito is tumutulong siya mag-interpret ng chart para sa iyo. And if you're already a trader, this is a perfect tool for you. Kasi even if marunong ka nang tumingin ng mga candlesticks and patterns, si AI is more on accurate siya. So gawin mo itong confirmation or influences dun sa mga trade mo. If you are new, this is perfect for you. Ang tawag natin guys is AI pattern scanner. Okay, kaganda nito guys, nagbibigay siya ng signal kung kailan ka mag-entry, kailan ka mag-TP1, TP2, at kailan yung SL mo. So ito yung tinatawag na AI pattern scanner for manual trading. Ano ba yung manual trading? Kayo mismo magti-trade. Pipindot. Kayo mismo pipindot sa trade nyo. Yun yung manual trading. Pero mayroon kang chart that will help you analyze the market. Kaya mas madali mo siyang maintindihan. Okay. So ano yung basis natin yan guys? Ang basis natin guys is harmonic patterns. The chart is made up of 70 to 80% patterns. Patterns lahat yan. Patterns are very profitable, especially harmonic, which will give you 70% win rate or over 85% win rate. Yes, you heard it right. Sa Forex po, wala siyang 100% win. So kung may nagsasabi sa inyo na itong Forex namin, sure na sure, walang talo, 100% win, red flag. Again, red flag. Tumakbo na po kayo. That could be a scam. So kung walang 100%, paano tayo kikita? Simple. Win rate ang tawag. Anong ibig sabihin ng win rate? Kung mayroon kang 70% win rate, ibig sabihin mayroon kang 10 trades. Okay, 10 trades. Mayroon kang talo 3, pero mayroon kang panalo na 7. So to sum it up, panalo ka pa rin kasi mas marami yung panalo mo compared sa talo mo. Yun ang tawag natin. So kung mayroon kang ganitong klaseng tools, it will increase your win rate kasi hindi po siya basta-basta magamit. Kasi if you are new, the problem is that these patterns are rare and it's difficult to identify for non-professionals. Kung bago ka lang, mahirap. Mayroong AI na mag-pattern mag-scan sa'yo to help you magkakaroon ka ng high accuracy in your trading. Okay, another example, this one. So this is the pattern na na-scan niya sa chart. And then this is the binigay niyang entry. Dito ka pamasok. And this is the SL. And this is the target 1. And this is the target 2. Ito yung TP. Pag abot dito ka kikita. Okay, results. Okay. Siyempre, titignan natin yung result, guys. Ito yung binigay ng pattern scanner. Ito yung trade niya. Because of this one, gumamit siya. Nag-trade siya ng 621 profit. 681 profit, guys, dollar. Yes, you heard it right. Most of our trade, ang major currency natin doon sa pagpasok natin is dollar. So lahat ng big figure makikita mo is dollar. Kasi si Forex International. Si Forex is not designed in the Philippines only. In fact, wala pang company ng Forex sa Pilipinas. Siguro may mga community like us, pero wala pang company. So, it's international. So, pwede siya kung nasa Dubai ka man, nasa Canada ka man, nasa Amerika, pwede. Anywhere. As long as may internet ka, pwede. Okay. So, ito nangyari sa kanya. Nag-trade siya gamit yung pattern scanner natin. Kumita siya total of 1,600 or 70,000 in one day. In one day. Guys, tanong ko sa inyo, kung ganito kaganda yung potential, willing ka bang aralin itong Forex trading? Can you type number 1 if you are willing? Kung ganito ka, so that I know that you are there. Okay? So ganito yan, guys. Hindi lang yan, guys. Ito pa. Another trade for this person, for this guy, is another trade is 4,124 isang araw, 200. Guys, 200K. Yes, alam ko, yung iba hindi nasanay sa ganitong klaseng income. Medyo mahirap paniwalaan. Pero guys, hindi ito instant. Itong tao na to is inaral niya itong forex trading. Ito siya. Karoon siya ng consistency. This is different trade, 200 din. And this is different trade, 200 din. And this is yours truly. Okay? Isa ito sa mga mentor ko guys. 26 years old. 26 years old. Kumikita. And dating seaman. Bago pa lang yung kontrata, nag-stop na. Bakit? Bakit pa naman siya mag-seaman? Yung 1 month niya, kikita niya dun, kakitaan na lang dito na one day. Di ba? It makes sense. So guys, ganito yung potential. But I'm not saying, after you get in, ito na yung mangyayari sa'yo. Kahit maliit lang, 100 USD, 200 USD. Not bad. Now, if you're so busy, meron tayong tinatawag na dalawang AI. Wealth Builder AI and Wealth Gainer AI. So Wealth Gainer AI is compounding. Starting capital is 300. Wala kang gagawin. It's the AI will do the trade for you. Ang gagawin mo lang, yung one time mo lang gagawin, mag-open ka ng account at i-link mo sa AI and meron kayo tayong step-by-step guide and video tutorial for this one. Another AI is Wealth Gainer for gold. Nag-average tayo ng 10% equity gain per month. Guys, 10% equity per month with over 1 year proven track record. Ang screenshot ko guys is 2024. Para makita nyo from January, February to December na wala talaga siyang negative. So ito yung growth rate niya. Very conservative for an AI kasi yung iba umaabot ng 50-60% equity growth pero delikado naman kasi may negative. So ang maganda dito is hindi siya mag-negative. Okay. Another cheat code guys is VIP Signal. So mayroon tayong mga app or tools like Telegram and Solex na mayroon mga expert traders na kasama natin na magbibigay sila ng price. Ang gagawin mo lang, kopyahin mo lang ito is manual copy trade. Copy paste mo at ilagay mo dito sa tinatawag natin na sa MT5 mo. Ito, example. Ito. Let's say for example, mag-order ka ng trade, new order. Dito mo lang ilagay. Ano yung presyo, ano yung buy, ano yung sell, kopyahin mo lang. So that's how you do it. So at di ba syempre pag bago ka pa lang, syempre nag-aaral ka pa to analyze. So these cheat codes will help you. Okay. So ito, mga cheat codes. Okay, ito yung result niya guys, mataas yung win rate nito. Okay, ito yung mga results nila sa VIP Signals. Another cheat code guys is Academy. Tamang pag-aaral, formal trading, formal training. Bakit ka kailangan ng formal trading? Marami naman sa YouTube, tama? Okay, guys, ito. Maniniwala ba kayo na let's say for example math. Yung mga lesson ng math nasa YouTube. Naniniwala ba kayo? Yes or no? Ang lesson ng science nasa YouTube. Okay. So ganito na lang. Bakit mo pa pinaaral yung mga anak mo? Nasa YouTube naman lahat. It makes sense? Kasi maganda, ang importante is the ingredient, the quality of the information na makukuha mo, tama ba or hindi. Kaya kailangan din siyang aralin. Meron tayong formal education kasi para the quality of training na makukuha mo para hindi po masayang yung kapital mo. Mamaya, pag-usapan natin yung Q&A. Maganda itong question ni Matang. Okay, mamaya. 2 cheat codes and then Q&A tayo. So, Academy, Basic, Advanced, and Forex Masterclass. Okay to sa mga FW because web-based. Pwede mo siyang mapanood or mag-learn at any of your availability kasi is web-based naman. So, you can play, you can replay anytime. Meron din siyang crypto and then meron siyang stocks. Sa community natin, bonus ito guys, meron tayong tinatawag na chart mastery. Ito naman is more on technical analysis. Technical analysis guys, importante matutunan mo sa forex trading din. Meron kang access nito sa trainings. Ito sa some of our top educators, mga international at mga bigatin. Cheat code number 4 and then we're good to go, Q&A tayo. Cheat code number 4 guys is this is the fastest way and the easiest way to make money. Kasi every night, like tonight, 9:30 p.m. 9:30 p.m. PH time. Bakit 9:30 p.m.? Ito po yung tinatawag na New York session o nagbubukas yung market sa Amerika at this time. Okay. So mayroon siyang live trading sessions. Mayroon tayong master trader guys na 20 years na siya nagtitrade. Ang gagawin natin, papasok tayo sa Zoom, exclusive tayo makapasok doon. So sasabay tayo sa trade niya. Ano ibig sabihin na sasabay? Kapag ka sinasabi niyang buy, buy ka rin. Pero account mo yung ginagamit. Mayroon lang, siya lang yung mag-guide sa iyo or when to buy and when to sell. Okay, ito
Oh my God.
ito, very exciting ito guys. Maraming kumikita sa community talaga. So this is perfect for newbie kasi mayroon kang master trader na mag-guide sa iyo sa samahan ka. Kumbaga kung mag-trade ka. Ito guys, every day 2,000, 3,000 na participants all over the world sasama sa kanya. Mayroon siyang access. Ito tinatawag na cheat codes guys. Ito yung mga resulta. Kahit maliit lang yung resulta, kagaya nito, kahit 100 lang, 100 USD per day. 100 USD per day is like 3,000. 1 it's like 7,000 a day. Guys, ang trading nito guys is only 20 minutes. 20 minutes a day. Gawin mo lang siya. Mayroon ka bang 20 minutes a day? Yes, meron kang 20 minutes a day. Okay? So yun lang. So AI tools, expert trader signals, academy, and live trading, yan lahat ma-access mo. So paano mo yan ma-access? Kailangan ka lang mag-enroll ng formal class. Alam naman natin na mahal yung formal class. 70 to 150,000 or advanced 400,000. Mahal yan. Okay? But not anymore kasi sa company natin na tinatawag na Iconic, by the way, ito yung provider ng trainings natin and tools guys. US-based siya. US-based siya guys. 5 years na siya sa market. Okay? And then, mag-enroll ka lang sa community natin. 1 year subscription is 999 USD. 6 month subscription is 645 USD. Pero ganun kalaki yung potential na kikitain mo. Ang tanong ko sa iyo, willing ka bang mag-invest ng ganito sa learning mo at sa tools para kikita ka ng ganito? Kasi it's business. After all, kailangan mo talaga maglagay para kumita. Okay. Sino dito yung willing? Bibigyan ko ng bonus. Can you type me? Or one, if you are willing. Para aralin mo talaga. Okay. So, mayroon pala. Okay. Pero wag muna. Kasi mayroon pa itong bonus. Mayroon pa itong discount. Pero guys, kung titingnan mo siya na mahal, I know. It's expensive kasi hindi pa natin nakita yung value. Guys, pero titingnan mo sa other company guys. Ito, 1,499 pesos. 1,499 pesos, meron kang monthly na 99. 1,799, meron kang monthly na 99. Ganun po guys, yung tinatawag natin na bakit mahal siya? Kasi ang tawag dito guys is high paying skills. One of the highest paying skills na kung alam mo na, kaya kang kumita ng 100 USD in one day, 1,000 USD in one day, or even 100,000 in one day. Kung alam mo na kung paano gamitin. But I have good news for you tonight kasi meron tayong tinatawag na payment option number 2. Payment option number 2 guys, instead of 9,999, 6,000, 6,045 or 645, you can start guys to enroll our community for 1 month. Okay, for 1 month learning, 199 for yung mga first world countries. Pero sa atin, good news, meron tayong discount, pagka Filipino. Make sure yan, pag na-fill up ka lang form, i-click mo dun, Philippines, para 175 na lang, 179 na lang. So ano yung makukuha mo? Yung AI trading, yung Manara na AI pattern scanner, yung nag-interpret sa chart, yung ECA, yung information, mayroon tayong swipe to trade, which is introduce natin to mamaya. And then mayroon kang access sa live sessions. Live sessions is yung may expert. And then mayroon kang bonus, same bonus na makukuha mo sa 999, same bonus na makukuha mo sa 645. Mayroon kang bonus. Ang bonus is exclusive training for chart mastery. Guys, itong chart mastery, kung mag-i-enroll ka nito ng technical analysis, this is like 30,000. 3 days makuha mo. Pero sa atin is bonus na lang. 30,000 pesos, yes. Kasi nag-aral kami guys. Nag-aral kami sa Manila. 30,000 pesos for chart mastery. VIP community. Ang maganda sa VIP community, lahat ng nag-enroll, i-add ko kayo sa VIP community natin. So there you can ask, same journey mo. Kung may na-stuck ka, naguguluhan ka, pwede kang magtanong. And a lot of people that are there, same journey mo, they can answer your questions. Tulong-tulungan tayo guys kung saan ka nahihirapan. Then we have group coaching every week, every Friday. So if you're enrolled tonight or tomorrow, you can join our group coaching this Friday. Tuturuan ka how to start. Especially for those new. Kasi ang mahirap dito guys is yung pag-start lang. So meron tayong step-by-step guide sa group coaching. Meron tayong VIP signals, yung i-copy trade mo manually. And meron tayong ibibigay na scalping strategy na exclusive sa community natin. Bakit kailangan mo ng strategy? Kasi matagalan kang maging profitable kung wala kang strategy, kung mag-experiment ka lang. Ito is, kopyahin mo na lang yung strategy namin. I-follow mo na lang para mas madaling kumita, para mas madali. Eventually, kung marunong ka na later on, you can build your own strategy. But guys, sa bonus pa lang guys, this will take you like 50,000, 70,000. Kasi sa bonus pa lang guys, enough na para maging profitable ka. Okay? Sino dito interested? Can you type me? Willing. Guys, this is like 10,000 pesos. Okay? This is like 10,000 pesos. Not even enough to start as a business. Okay? 10,000 pesos lang. Thank you and congratulations. I have another bonus for you tonight. Okay? I have another bonus. Okay. Another bonus for you tonight, guys, is that I will let you join with our community for free. Yes, you heard it right. Free to join our community. Pero wala mo nang access sa cheat codes. Here is you can ask question. Here is may mga trainings tayo na ibibigay for free. Ang gagawin mo lang guys for tonight, magre-reply ka lang that I joined the webinar. Saan ka magre-reply? Sa tao na nagbigay ng link sa inyo tonight. Sa Facebook page na nagbigay ng link sa inyo tonight, dun sa Messenger. Dun ka mag-reply. Ang password is I joined the webinar. Make sure you do this one para ma-add ka namin sa GC. Ulitin ko. May tao na nagbibigay ng link sa inyo. Bakit kayo naka-join dito tonight? Or mayroon siyang Facebook page na nagbibigay ng link. Bakit kayo naka-join tonight? Tama? Gagawin mo lang dun sa Messenger, mag-reply ka ng I joined the webinar so that ma-add ka namin sa GC for free. There, you can explore, you can learn, kahit even if you're not yet ready to enroll. But if you are ready, go for it. Kasi iba yung GC talaga sa nag-enroll. Pero here is, may makukuha ka. Ito pala yung community. Actually, kanina nag-meet up kami with Ma'am Juliet. Ito si Ma'am Juliet. Yung may mga kasama siyang interested din na tinuturuan namin paano mag-trade. At nag-trade kami kanina at naging profitable ka agad. Imagine, di ba? Nandito ba si Ma'am Juliet or the rest of the beauties from Cagayan de Oro? So ito yung mga community. May tayong meetups, then sa Zoom naman, regular. Regular yung Zoom natin every week. Meron tayong at least 3 Zoom meetings every week. So make it sure na matuto talaga tayo kung willing lang talaga. Okay. Isa sa nag-join sa community natin guys is a 66 years old. Imagine. Sino dito 66 years old and above? 66 years old and above. Sino dito? Okay, 66 years old. Ngayon, regular na siyang kumikita ng 100 to 200 USD. Okay. Profit, 200. Regular. Bawing-bawi na guys. Isang araw lang, bawi na yung 179 USD niya. Isang araw lang, kung alam mo lang talaga. Guys, imagine, 66 years old. Hindi techie, hindi mahilig sa computer, naghihirap pa when he started. Pero bakit nakuha niya? Because of our cheat codes. Ang point doon is kung nakayanan niya, walang dahilan na hindi mo makayanan. Importante, willing ka lang. Bawi na ba yung 179 niya? Yes, bawing-bawi niya. Isang araw lang, bawing-bawi na. Okay, meron din tayong mga traders na dati na naging magaan yung nila na pagti-trade nila at pag-analyze nila sa market because of our cheat codes. Ito is from Cebu, si Ma'am Marivic. 2 weeks niya guys inaral. After 2 weeks nag-trade siya. In 1 month kumita siya more than 100,000. At the 20th day sa pagtitrade na nag-withdraw siya ng 96,000, nakabayad siya ng utang at nakabayad siya ng tuition sa mga anak niya. Okay. OFW, si Ma'am Jadaline from UAE. So si mga OFW, I know you're busy, but eto nakayanan niya. Guys, while naka-absent siya kasi hindi maganda yung pakiramdam niya, nag-trade siya, kumita siya ng 744 or 42,000 in 4 hours. Kaya sabi ko, mag-absent ka na lang palagi. Okay. But it only take her 4 hours. Pero mayroon tayong strategy na 30 minutes lang, 20 minutes lang mag-trade. Pero syempre, pag-aralin mo for a start. Okay. ang maganda nito guys, again, if you reply and join the webinar, mayroon tayong training sa inyo for free. Mayroon tayong 2 days challenge. Tomorrow, mayroon tayong training na ang pangalan is Winning Psychology. Ituturo namin sa inyo ano yung psychological aspect para maging profitable sa forex trading. Free po yan sa lahat ng members o nag-join the webinar or dun sa GC. Okay. I joined the webinar. Okay, marami talagang resulta. Kung iisa-isahin ko to guys hanggang umaga, lahat resulta. If you join the community, mamaya after the trade 9:30, grabe. Daming paldo-paldo dyan, makikita niyo. So, Q&A na tayo. How po makapag-trade na ba yung 10K? Yung 179 mo, Madam Rosana, yun yung tuition mo muna. Tuition mo muna yan para matuto ka. Okay. This is a good concern. Sabihin ko sa'yo, okay, ayaw ko lang mag-aral, gusto ko mag-trade ka. Okay, walang problema. Meron kang kapital 50,000 or let's say 500 USD. Walang problema, pwede kang mag-trade. Pero ang question ko, anong mangyayari sa capital mo? Paano mo siya maipanalo? Paano mo siya madoble? Paano ka kikita kung hindi mo alam kung anong gagawin mo? So masasayang lang yung capital mo kasi most of the new na hindi alam talaga, 95% matatalo sa forex trading. Kaya if I were you, kung mayroon kang 500 USD, mag-set aside ka for your learning. 179 lang naman para hindi masayang yung capital mo. Copy? Madam Rosana, I hope I answered your question. Sir, magkano need capital para makapag-earn ng... Actually guys, ito. Ang starting capital mo, okay, itong gagawin mo. Mag-aral ka muna 179. 2 weeks, straighten mo aral kasama yung demo account. Yung goal natin guys is gamit yung cheat code para mabilis kang matuto for 2 weeks with demo account. After the demo, tsaka ka mag-capital. Ang capital mo guys is you can start with 100 USD. 100 USD lang muna. Kahit marami kang pera, no, 100 USD lang muna. Kasi 'di ba, nagda-drive pa tayo, nagla-learn pa tayo how to drive. Mayroon ba ditong bago pa lang nag-aaral pa lang ng pagda-drive, tumatakbo na ng 100 km per hour, 80 km, 'di ba? Dahan-dahan lang. And eventually, kung alam mo na Manthang, I hope I pronounce your name very well. Kayang-kaya mo na yung 200. So yung goal mo dito guys, listen, yung goal mo dito hindi kumita kaagad, kundi yung goal mo is aralin mo kung paano kumita. Kasi madali lang kikita kung alam mo na. So that's the goal. Okay. So to answer your questions, yung capital is, magkano yung 170? So simple question, madam. You go to internet or you type it with a currency. That's it. I don't need to answer this question. It's so simple. Sir, mag-question kayo ng mahirap. Yun saan kinaguluhan. Sir, lang, gaano katagal aralin? Depende sa'yo. How fast you learn. Yung iba 3 days lang, yung iba 2 weeks, yung iba 1 month. But for me, even if it cost me 6 months para ganito klase yung kitaan, aaralin ko. Kasi nag-aral nga tayo ng 5 years. I started forex trading, it took me 3 years to be profitable. Pero kasi dati walang tamang training, walang cheat codes, walang community, so mahirap talaga. So ngayon, ano lang naman yung 2 weeks. Nag-average 2 weeks to 1 month, but it's really up to you kung how fast you learn at yung time and dedication mo na inalalagay mo. Okay? So ito pala yung mga resulta guys, yung mga withdrawals natin sa community. Meron ba kumikita ng million? Yes. Dating nurse na ngayon is full-time trader na. 1 million in 1 month. 1 month lang. Grabe. Grabe. So isa sa mga brand ambassadors natin is si Manny Pacquiao. Okay. Pwede bang mag-trade ng hindi nakapag-enroll? Yes, pwede kang mag-trade. Technically, when you join the GC, if ako yung nag-sponsor sa'yo, bigyan pa kita ng link kung paano mag-open ng account, ituturo ko pa sa'yo. But next question is, paano mo siya ipanalo? How will you be able to make it profitable? Bukod ba dun sa bayad AI trading enrollment? Kasama mo bro, yung 179 package na yan, pag-aaral mo sa manual trading, AI trading, nandun na. Okay, ulitin ko. Wait, saan ba yung package natin kanina? Kasama na yon. For only 179, actually guys, very sulit ito. Napakamahal talaga ang formal trading sa Forex. Okay. 179 kasi Philippines tayo, for first world countries 199. AI trading kasama na. Manara, Eka, Swipe to Trade, live sessions, and bonus chart mastery, VIP community group coaching, signals, and scalping strategy. Kasama na yan. Okay. How about monthly BPS per subscription? No need. Meron tayong sistema na no need for monthly subscription. Okay, no need. So, hindi mo na kailangan magbayad ng monthly subscription. But by the way, guys, itong subscription natin, guys, is for 1 month. So, if you want to continue, which is optional, you can continue it with 129. So, yung goal natin, kikita ka na sa 1 month para walang problema yung tuloy-tuloy na pag-aaral mo at kikita ka na, wala na problema sa pang subscription mo. Okay? So, one more question, two more question, guys. You make it sure that you reply, I joined the GC or the webinar so that masasama ka natin sa GC. Tomorrow, same time, 8 p.m., mayroon tayong training na tinatawag na Psychology of Winning. Ituturo namin sa inyo kasi trading is 80% mindset. Ano yung tamang mindset? Lalo na nagsisimula pa lang kayo, it's very important, tama yung mindset, tama yung training. Kasi marami ako nakita dito, guys, marunong, magaling, may skills, pero yung mindset, mali. Hindi rin siya tatagal. So, consistently, tuturo natin yan sa inyo sa community. Free lang yung access na yan bukas. Psychology of Winning, pero kapag ka-exclusive, naka-join ka sa GC. 1 to 2 questions and then we're good to go. Okay, since wala na kayong questions, thank you so much, guys, for joining our webinar. Sa mga kasama natin na OFW, ingat po kayo. Sa lahat na nandito sa Pilipinas, good evening po, God bless po, and please join our GC para po makakakuha kayo ng mga libreng trainings even if you're not yet ready to enroll. God bless everyone, and to God be the glory.